guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a quick and easy jambalaya recipe. So if you're ready to see how this all comes together, let's keep on watching. Okay, so here are all the ingredients that you're going to need to make this recipe. Remember, I'm going to have all the ingredients listed down below in the description box. Alright, so first off, I have this pan heated up and I have a little bit of oil on the bottom of it, and I am just adding to it my sliced up sausages, and then I am putting my seasonings onto those sliced up sausages. And next to that, I'm just adding in the chicken. I am using some chicken that I already had cooked. If you don't have cooked chicken, then you might want to cook your chicken before you brown up your sausages. So after my meat is browned up, I am going to be browning my vegetables. So I have some onions and some bell peppers and also some garlic, and I just put a little bit of oil to it, and I'm just browning that all up. Okay, let's take a quick break for viewer appreciation. So I want to thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel, watching all my videos, and leaving me comments. What I'm going to do is randomly select one comment from my videos each week and then spotlight them on one of my videos on the following week. So in order to be one of the ones that are picked, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, watch my videos, and leave me comments. So once again, I want to thank everybody for subscribing, watching, and leaving me comments. Thank you so much. All right, back to the video. All right, so now I'm adding in some tomatoes, just diced tomatoes, and also a couple of tablespoons of tomato paste to my sauteed vegetables. And I'm just adding a little bit more seasonings. You can use the seasonings that you like. And also I'm adding in some soy sauce to that. Okay, so next up, I'm going to add my chicken and sausages back into my vegetables, and then I am going to add in my rice, and then after the rice, I'm going to add in the chicken broth. Alright y'all, so if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and give it a like because it really does help me and my channel out. So a little bit about me: I work full-time, I'm married, we have 3 kids, and I am a home cook. I don't like the same recipes day after day, so I like to try out new ones, and I like to share them with you here so that you can also be inspired to try something new for your meal times. So if you're looking for fun, new ideas, and delicious recipes, I invite you to subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell and join our inspiring mealtime family. Alright, so what I am doing now is I am separating a little bit of the jambalaya from the big original dish and making a separate smaller batch because I'm adding shrimp. 2 of my kids have shellfish allergies, but one of them doesn't, and I love shrimp. Well, he does too. So I'm making a little smaller batch for me and him to have, and then the larger batch is for everybody else. So what I've done is just placed the cleaned raw shrimp on top, and I put the lid on it and allowed it to steam. And then after it cooked, you can tell because it changed into like a light pinkish color. Then I'm just mixing it into the rest of the rice and letting it cook just a little bit more. Don't want to cook it too long because shrimp can become really tough and chewy when it's overcooked, but you do want to make sure that you cook it well enough. I added a little bit more chicken broth to help the shrimp to cook and to also make sure that that rice is nice and tender. All right, so everything is done. Just put a little bit of parsley on the top for some extra color and flavor and plate it up. So dinner served. So this is a really simple and easy recipe that I'm sure you and your family will be sure to love. Please let me know if you try it out. Leave me a comment down below and let me know how you guys like it. But thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to come back for another one. All right, see y'all later. Bye.